I have a Temu haul with them. Part of these items I bought, part of them were sent to me. I do have a coupon code with them. It is fav45575. If you're a new user on the website or the app, it'll give you some coupons. And if not, it will take you to my storefront where you'll be able to see my items. I will also leave a link down below in the description box for you guys with all of the product links as well, and also this coupon code. So let's jump right on in. I bought some glass beads that were $5.09. Now I like that they were glass and that they bubble wrapped them, so I wanted to show you guys that they did come well packaged. So I'm hoping that none of them broke. I believe there are 20 pieces in here, and these are little glass pumpkins, and I don't think any of them broke, which is amazing considering that it comes in like the thin little poly like mailer bag. So I was kind of like, ooh, I don't know if those made it, but they made it. Then I want to do some like Halloween crafting. So I found these beautiful star and moon sequins. Let me just pull one out. Like, look at how pretty that is. I love that. So this was, let me tell you, $2.11 for, it doesn't tell me how many grams are in here. And then I got this like neon colors right here, and that was $1.46. I want to say that these were 10 grams, and I think there's two different styles in here. Oh yes, so there is just like the solid circles, and then these are the open rings. So there was two different packs. I want to say that these were 10 grams a piece. I want to say this might have been 20. But in the links, you'll be able to see how many grams were in each one of those. This was $1.63. And again, I think this one was 10 grams. So I'm going to be mixing all of this together to make like a Halloween sequence. The only thing is right here, this has orange slices. So I will be taking those out. And then I think the rest I'll just kind of like leave it in there, and I'll kind of just like get lost in the mix. I also got this pack. That was $4.71. And I wanted these stars right here. So it comes with the hollow stars, but also the punch outs in there, and then it has all the different colors. And then afterwards, this is a really nice little case that you can go ahead and keep, so I thought that was nice. I also got these neon stars, so you can see those right there. And again, I believe this was 10 grams, and that was $1.25 for those. Okay, I don't remember if I have more sequins in here or not. But these actually glow in the dark. So this was 3mm beads. Let's see, it was supposed to be 8,500 pieces for $3.38, and they glow in the dark. So let me try to show you guys. Okay, so I held it up to the light. I think you can see it. Let me turn off all the lights. You can kind of see. Let me turn off the ring light. Oh, there you go. I'm like, in person, it glows. So I hope you can tell. I think you can see it, that they do glow. They're super pretty in person. I'm very excited. I was kind of like, I don't know if they're just going to be clear, even though it said glow in the dark, but these do glow. Really, really excited with that purchase. And then I'm going to send out some Happy Mail. So to like close off my Happy Mail, I found these funny little fragile. And oh, I threw away the wrapper. How much was this? This was $4.06 for 200 stickers. Why is there a dog? I thought they were supposed to be all Halloween. Oh, I just ripped this one. Let's see. So this one's no good. I just ripped it. Okay, so there's a puppy one. I don't know why there's a puppy one. They're supposed to be Halloween. Okay, that's not what I thought it was. There's like a cat fragile, like he's like all beat up. And then, okay, here's the ones I thought it was supposed to be like Halloween. So there's like mummies. And then there's some dog ones and then the cat ones and then it repeats. Okay, this is not what I thought it was. I swore there was other designs. I'm gonna have to go back and look. But that's funny that it's like a cat, a dog, and then 2 mummies. But, I mean, still $5 for a bunch of these is not bad. And 3 were trash, which I'm not really sad about. But, yeah, I just thought it was funny that it was, like, fragile and then it's like a mummy. And then, I don't know why it ended up with animal ones, but that's still funny. Anyways, moving on. I got a bead kit for $7.85. And it says 6 pieces, but it makes 6 pins. And this kit will come with everything that you need. I will be doing a whole tutorial on this kit. And I did get another kit as well. So here are your pins. I like that this orange has glitter. And so does... Okay, sorry, I got a phone call. I interrupted. I don't know where it left off. But these pins have glitter towards the top. I think you can really see it on the orange. And the black ones do, but not the purple. And then, like I said, it comes with its little silicone bead. There are some wood beads. And then some of these rhinestone beads. So, like I said, I'll do a whole separate video on building these. Because I think it'll be really fun to do together. And then I do like adding like little danglies to them. So I'll do some basic ones and then some like extras. And then this kit was $13.84. And it says 8 pieces again, but that means 8 pins. And these pins I liked because it had the skull pin, which I thought was really fun. And the orange glitter ones. And then like a matte silver and black. This one came with beads. These are 20mm beads. These are 16, I believe. And then it comes with some rhinestone spacers. And it also comes with the charms. So, again, I will be doing videos on both of these. So I think it'll be really fun to build together. And then you can, like, really see all the details of everything. And then, oh, I didn't write the price on this one because this was just, like, a personal item for myself. I've mentioned before that I got a new car, I think like 2 years ago. And, or was it last year? Oh my god, my years are just blurring together. And 2 years. I just remember because I just paid my tags. Anyways, one of our car license plate, when we got it in the mail, it ends in 666. And I tried going to the DMV. I waited like over 2 hours to try to get a new plate. And they wanted me to pay again for the registration, even though we had just paid it when we bought the car, and it was like almost $600, and I was not trying to spend an additional $600. So we kept the plate and then named the car Lucifer. So originally his name was Bruno before we got the plate, so then now he became Bruno Lucifer. So when I saw this key ring on Temu, I was like, I definitely need to get that for that car. So that's why I got that one. So yeah, you guys know how I sidetrack and start just like talking and rambling. So there's my ramble for the day. I got these pack. It is 20 pieces. It's $3.38. I thought it'd be fun to mix and match and include with those beadable pins. And these are actually a silicone, which I was really excited about. I hope that there is more in stock so you guys can get some, because a lot of the beads that you see with the spider webs on Temu are wood, and I do not prefer the wood ones because they will dent, and I just don't like that. So I'm really happy that I was able to find silicone ones. So I'm hoping that there is still some in stock for you guys to go ahead and go and snatch some of those as well. Oh, look, here is another like sequence that I got for that mix. So I wanted these silver ones. I like using silver in my Halloween crafting, so I got that to go with those. And then I found these charms. Did I write a price on there? $1.57. And then again, I don't think that's bad because then you get the case once you're done with it. So I think that's a really good deal. These were, oh no, did I not write the price on these? Oh, I guess I didn't. I want to say they were like $3 a pack. And these are some orange witchy hats. And they have the 3 little stars. I thought those were really cute. I like the dark purple. This is a purple. I think you can tell it's purple. Kind of looks really dark on a video, but it's a purple. So I got some of those. And then I got some in green, but this green looked more like a green. And I feel like it's kind of like a blue green in person. Yeah, I don't know. It's not my favorite for Halloween. And then I got the pumpkins, and I got 2 packs of the pumpkins because I'm sure I would use these right on up. And those also have the 3 stars in there as well. So I got 2 sets of the pumpkins. I knew there was one more item in the bag. And then this one I didn't order. I don't know why they sent it to me because I don't like pink. So I definitely did not order these. And then it's kind of like a weird pink. Maybe more like a coral pink, I would say. Kind of, I don't know. Maybe it's my eyes today, but I don't know. I just don't think it looks like a true pink. It's kind of like a weirder pink, like a little bit of like orangey pink, coral pink. So I didn't order those. They sent them. So it is what it is. Like I said, I think each little 10 piece was like $3. So I'll leave a link, everything down below for you guys. So you guys go check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.